Welcome to Ensure Care's NABH Quality Indicator series. Hospitals strive to deliver the best care, and quality indicators are the key to tracking performance. In this series, we'll break down each essential NABH quality indicator, explaining what they measure, why they matter, and how to use them for continuous improvement. Get ready to optimize your hospital's quality. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative content. In this video, we will learn about the risk management related quality indicator. Quality indicator number 36, Incidence of Falls. Indicator type, outcome related. Definition: the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs National Center for Patient Safety defines fall as loss of upright position that results in landing on the floor, ground or an object or furniture or a sudden, uncontrolled, unintentional, non-purposeful, downward displacement of the body to the floor, ground or hitting another object like a chair or stair. It is an event that results in a person coming to rest inadvertently on the ground or floor or other lower level. Source of the data, Incidence Report. Indicator monitored by or responsible person, nurse in charge and quality coordinator. The formula is numerator, number of patient falls. Denominator, total number of discharges and deaths. Into 100. Sample size, not applicable. Explanation: falls may be at different levels, that is from one level to ground level. Example: from beds, wheelchairs or downstairs. On the same level as a result of slipping, tripping or stumbling from a collision, pushing or shoving by or with another person. Below ground level, that is into a hole or other opening in surface. All types of falls are to be included whether they result from physiological reasons, fainting, or environmental reasons. Assisted fall: when another person attempts to minimize the impact of the fall by assisting the patient's descent to the floor, should be included. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to Ensure Care for more healthcare-related content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.